Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. I've already showed this tutorial on PC before, and I'm going to show it how you can do it on your phone on Instagram. So it's simple. You have to go to your profile over here, go to the top right. Then now you need to do is it's no longer just an Instagram thing. This is a Meta thing, and if you don't know, Meta is the parent company, which is like the head of everything that's related to like Facebook, such as Instagram as well, even WhatsApp, I think. And then what you need to do is to go over here to Account Center, and then you just head over to Personal Details, and then you just go to Account Ownership and Control, and you go to Deactivation or Deletion. And then what you need to do is to choose your Instagram account that you want to delete. For example, this one, Daniel has Reels. This one, my account. I'm just gonna go click on delete account, go continue, and then you just say you just give out the reason why. Too many ads, and then continue, and then permanent delete account. And then it'll ask you before you delete, you can do all of these things, blah blah blah. And if you really want, just keep continuing and continuing until you reach the end point. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.